Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the principles of management, basic topics about organizing. What is organizing? So, organizing is the process of identifying and grouping of activities that are required to attain the objectives, delegating authorities, creating the responsibility, and establishing relationship for the people to work effectively. So, we have to organize the group of activities for the purpose of obtaining the objectives, basic objectives which is given for our job roles and responsibilities. Then purposes of organizing. Why we have to do the organizing? Devise work to be done in specific jobs and departments. We have to give division of works to the subordinates. Then assign tasks and responsibilities associated with the individual jobs. Those who are the persons doing the job, we have to assign according to their roles. Then coordinates diverse organizational tasks. Then after that, clusters jobs into units. We have to clusters into separate units. Establishes relationship among individuals, groups and departments. We have to establish relationship into among individuals, groups and departments. Then formal lines of authority. Line of authority we have to develop formally. And allocates and deploys organizational things. Then these are the importance of organizing. Facilitates administration. Administration is the main thing that facilitates. Then number 2, encourages growth and diversification. Then optimum use of technology. Optimum use of technology we are going to introduce into the particular organizing activity. Then stimulates innovation and technologies. That must be, if we are organizing, means that must stimulates the innovation and technology that related to the work assigned. Then encourages good human relations between the subordinates, those who are all working and those who are all we are going to organize. Then ensures continuity of enterprise. You have to ensure the continuity. Then finally we have to make it in coordination. We have to coordinate all the things which are going to use. Then formal and informal organization structure. So initially formal structure is defined, that is organizational resources outlined by management. Organizational resources outlined by managements. Informal structure, the pattern of relationship that develop because of the informal activities of the organizational members. Basic comparison we are going to see, that is formation, planned and deliberate, spontaneous. The basic comparison between the formation, planned and deliberate, spontaneous, purpose, that is formation, purpose, structure, nature, focus, leadership, source of power, guidelines for behavior, source of control. There are the things we are going to compare between formal and informal. Formation, planned and deliberate. In formal organization we have to plan deliberately, we are going to deliver. In informal organization, spontaneous, it may come, it may not be, so like that. Purpose, well set goals. Then in formal organization, well set goals, that is we are going towards the goal. Informal, social interaction, that is interaction between the subordinates, that will be informal. Structure, well structured in formal organization. In informal, that is unstructured. Nature is officially we have to give everything from the formal organization. Unofficially it is prevailing through the informal organization. Focus, positions, you have to focus on the positions, where it is and when it is and how it is. Then it is about the persons, those who are indulging in the activities. Leadership is superior, from superior to subordinates. In informal organization, the leadership is among the any one of the organization. Then source of power, that is delegated from the formal organization, given by group, that is informal organization. Guidelines for behavior is rules and procedures we have to follow in the formal organization. The rules, there is a group norms. If one person is making some rule, means others they have to accept, and other persons making rule means others will follow the rules, like that in informal organization. The sources of control, that is reward or punishment, that is from the formal. If you are performing well, means they will give rewards. If you are not performing well, if you are lacking in any goals and assigned duties, then it will be punishment, likes it will be decrement, or you will be terminated from the power roles and everything, and you are transferred to another area, like that. These are the punishments. Then informal organization, that is sanction, that is about it is providing among the prevailing of the situations. Okay.